Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AT Media. Today we'll see how I created this angry robot in MS Paint. While I draw this, I'll share some interesting facts about robots in this AI era. Robots in this era are not just machines. They are intelligent helpers powered by artificial intelligence. Unlike the past, where robots only repeated simple tasks, today's robots can actually learn and adapt. Modern robots have AI powered vision systems. They can recognize faces, detect objects, and even understand the human emotions. Some services that robot can greet you, answer questions, or even hold a conversation like me, but I am not a robot. In industries, robotic arms work side by side with humans. They are called cobots, collaborative robots. They assemble cars, package goods, and even help in delicate tasks like surgery. Today's robots often have advanced processors and sensors. This allows them to navigate cities, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions in real time. Self-driving cars are a great example of this robotic intelligence in action. Robots are also exploring the unknown. In space, AI robots like NASA's rovers collect data on Mars. In deep ocean, underwater robots explore areas that even humans can't reach. So, in this AI driven era, robots are no longer limited to science fiction. They are everywhere, from hospital and homes to space and even in the battlefield. I think our robot will be in the battlefield. The future of robotics is all about humans and robots working together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like, share and comment. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.